charging up right now. This is the vacuum cleaner, but that we have, and this is the remote. Do you see it? Yes. And there's is the screen up, and it's charging up right now again. And this is charging base. This is a brush. And this is a brush. And this thing to turn off on and off. And finally, it's the word start charging. And the word start. And the word lock, and the word lock, and we set the mode, and we say, and this is the UV, and this is the screen, and it even have 100, and this is your charging base. This is the back of it. This is the dustbin. This is half filter. And this is the sky. This is the sky. Hold on. Whoops. I didn't.